Hello guys, welcome back to Purity Njoroge vlog, and today I'm going to talk about my this washing machine. This is the warrant I was given, and it's a Ramtom 9 kg. Yeah, and I'm so happy and so proud of myself that I got this on my own. This is something I've been wanting to have and purchase, and yeah, I finally made it. And
you never depress me, yeah. You always make me feel like I'm your king and you're my queen. Is it the way you walk or talk? Cause baby you got me. Never surrender my heart to nobody. It's yours only. Some of your friends are hypocrites.
welcome to the world of love and happiness. So I am at my bed, and as I've told you, it's a Ramtom mode 130, and I got it at 14,800. Sorry. So yeah, and this is the purchase. I don't know whether I have some details I'm not supposed to be showing you, but here is the paperwork. Yeah, and here's my name, Purity Njoroge. Juu sitaki kuwa video mrefu, I'm just appreciating what I've achieved and putting it out there to tell someone that if you really want something, just believe that you're going to get it, you know. Yani usiseme I want to have this but hujiamini. Put your work together, believe in yourself, work hard for what you want, and you will get it. Cause mimi, like, sinaga off days, so nilikuwa nikitoka jobs around saa 3, hiyo time ndo nafua, and nilikuwa nashika baridi, and so nika decide I will work hard, save a coin, and that extra coin, so that I can purchase that machine for myself, do ikwe easy kufua. And yeah, I did it, and God came through, nika purchase. Yeah, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of myself, I mean. And what I can tell you is that always trust the process. No matter how long it will take you, trust the process, because anything you want, as long as you work hard, because hutasema ati I need a cabin next 10 years, just sitting there waiting for it to come. Haiwezi toka from nowhere ati kuja. And no one is going to come from nowhere and give you what you want. You have to work hard for what you want. So let me show you the machine, guys. Here's the machine. Inakaa hivi. It's a Ramtom wash. This side is wash time, and this time is, yani whenever you're washing, like hapa kwa normal it's either t-shirt, vitu si heavy, or vitu zenye si chafu sana, and then you can always turn to heavy kama unafua majacket, vitu ziko chafu, jeans and whatever. And then when you're draining your water after washing, you switch to draining. Then here is a timer, yani you set the time at what you want it to ifue, and ikisha hesabu easy time itarudi hapa hivi, and then it stop, so you don't have to worry ati doing other things when you're washing. So unaiset to, then you start doing other things, Ikifika 0 it stops na haina kelele mob. One more thing, haitumii stima mingi, cause kama mimi huwa nafua on Sunday, cause Sunday I'm not that busy, so Sunday ndo nafua, na nafua nguo za a whole week. So you can imagine nguo za a whole week na itatumia maybe less than a unit, so it's much better and it save time, energy, money, cause maybe you could kosa time and then uamue ulipe mtu akufulie, so it save time, it save money, I mean. And then there is this pipe that I don't use cause sikai kwa nyumba iko na maji. So what you do with this pipe, unaiconnect kwa tap ya maji and then it drain water itself kwa washing machine, but unaweza mwaga maji na bucket to easy the work. And yeah, then ni mode 130 nilikuwa nishasema, and it is affordable guys, and it is doing an amazing work. Then whenever you're draining, here is the pipe ya kudrain maji. And don't forget, I've said it's a 9 kg Ramtom washing machine na iko poa, inaosha vizuri, but kitu naweza waambia mchunge, ukieka kwa heavy and hiyo nguo si heavy as such, inaweza raruka. So what I can advise you is, hizo nguo rahisi, hizo silky ones, nini, you can put them inside ka uhuru bag. Yes, uhuru bag, then you put it in the washing machine, hivyo itararuka. But nimewaambia it can be vigorous, so inaweza rarua nguo zako, so be cautious about that. Then there is this cable of whatever inaitwaje, I don't know, which you connect to kwa stima yako, na si lazima uconnect kwa main socket, unaweza connect kwa extension, it works. So yeah, you don't have to stress yourself at hii kitu ati si mrefu sana, itafika kwa stima, itafika place nataka ifuliwe, inafika anywhere. So you can connect extension, alafu una connect inafua, and yeah, hivyo ndo inakaa. Kuna dust kidogo kwa jana Sunday juzi, sikupanguza au zina hari. So yeah, hivyo ndo inakaa. Trust the process guys. Yeah, and si lazima ati ukue kwa nyumba iko na bathroom ati juu ya kudrain. Don't worry about draining. You can drain using a big basin, then unamwaga maji nje, or rather kama iko karibu na yeah, na place kuna place ya kudrain, unaweza vuruta hii pipe nje idrain maji, but si lazima ukue kwa nyumba iko na bathroom. Peace out, adios, na